Uba Sanbor Shulai, Ubadai UMLA, ka Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, na South Shillong constituency, Ulabam Smai, Menta Gasngi, ka Arbhanyo Tarik Unaitung, Arjar Arbhoi, Kumu Minister, Bathamai, Jonga Sorkar Meghalaya, Hakajaka, Jongoba ALHEC. Hagane ga Jingbam Smai, Lapandep Dau Gonor ga Jilla, Usatya Pal Malik, Haraj Bhawan, Shillong. Ha ka Jingdon Langrangkan, Chief Minister ga Jilla, Konrad K. Sangma, Ki Minister, Ki MLA, Bat Ki Wei Di, Ki He Jong ga Sorkar.
I, Sri Sanbor Shulai, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India, as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as a minister for the state of Nigeria, and that I will do right to all manner of people in accordance with the Constitution and the law without fear or favor, affection or ill will. I, Sanbor Shulai, do swear in the name of God that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or persons any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as a minister for the state of Nigeria, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as such minister.
And Mr. Sanbor Shulai may kindly wait here as the Honorable Governor.